ELAB stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Or am I buying or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything so you don't have to. And today I've seen a 33% decrease in price. Do you know what my previous idea on this was? Now, if you watch my videos, you will already know what actually happened here. I mean, pre-market, obviously, like we're open here, so that's a big factor there, but we finally broke structure lower. I'm not even trying to like sound like arrogant or just like narcissistic, but the idea here was like absolutely correct. Yeah, although like at some point of the day, like here, that was like in Friday of the last trading week, we went up 52% and people like really were curious about it, but like boom, now we were hit with reality. And ultimately still, I want to see a full candle close beneath these to have a new range set, and then so we can use that. But yeah, more likely than not, we're going to keep breaking down. It's only going to be bullish if it starts breaking above $5 or so. And we have a pretty big inefficiency that I think soon we're going to begin to fill. So I'm going to keep you updated for right now. Like there's nothing that I'm going to do. Still looking at it from a bearish lens, but I'm just observing. Like no trades are going to be taken purely because it just delivered, you know, lower. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.